welcome back to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare a rainy day special recipe, that is onion pakoda. Now you can easily make a fresh and tasty onion pakoda at home. In a bowl, take a sliced onions. I have chopped them into thin slices. Add salt to taste. To the onion, always add a salt while making a pakoda. As we added the salt, the onion started to release water. Now just add the besan flour as per your need. Now just mix it tightly with your hands. Now add some chili pieces. It's completely optional. Chili powder. I am adding a little chili powder because I have already added chili pieces. Pinch of cooking soda. Sprinkle some little water and make it into a thick batter. Add 1 tablespoon of Ajwain Seeds. It gives a good aroma to our pakoda. Pinch of Hing. Mix them well. Make sure that the batter is thick enough. Just check the consistency. Fry the onion pakoras until the bubbles subside. Fry them in a small flame or else it may get burnt. And our onion pakoda is ready. Try this wonderful pakoda at your home. You can serve this along with a curd rice or dal rice. It tastes awesome. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Keep watching Healthy Samayal. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.